8, step, E, accent. Again, right step, 8, left, up, accent. It's a half of 8 and the accent. We're gonna start half of 8 with the step. We're always gonna use the step before exercise. Look, step and after 8. E, step, stand on the leg with the weight and with the 8. Step, and the other hip's gonna do the accent from back, up. We go in front and do accent with all weight, push. Okay? E, step from a back, front, accent, and close your knee, maximum. Again, step from a back, front, push. So one side's gonna be half of 8, one side's gonna be accent. Step, 8, step, E, accent. Again, right step, 8, left,